first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Guys, ooh, I love a good mystery. Like, even in my movies, guys, I don't know if you guys know, I don't think I've mentioned it before. I love investigations, mystery, crime type movies, or suspense rather. That's like my thing. So I saw this box. I went to go and get the new Mega Lost lipsticks, and if you want to see some swatches of that, you can check out my previous video. I'll link it in the cards. I'm not sure which side, I never know which side the cards are on, guys, the eye cards, right? So I will be unboxing this baby. If you read at the back, firstly the price, it says it was 150 rand, it's now 100 rand, and you save obviously 50 rand, so that's really affordable. And then it says you get 2 lipsticks and 1 nail enamel, also known as nail polish. And I'm really excited to see the colors, because myself, I'm like a nudist. I don't know if that word's allowed, let me not put it in there, but like I love nude lipsticks. So there's different types of lipsticks. I've got like 6 or 7 different kinds of nudes. So you get pinkish nudes, brown nudes, like nudes, all these different types of nudes, and I love them. So I'm excited to see what colors they're gonna give in the little mystery box over here. And obviously, if you've tuned in, you wanna know too. So let's get to it. Ooh, I didn't even know how to open this thing. Okay, I think I'm getting it. Hey, so you flap that down in front, right? Okay. And lift. Ooh, let's see. Ha ha ha. First thing that catches my eye. Do you see what I see? A lovely red. Everyone likes a good red lip. Yay! Let me see. So WetnWild. These are one of the older ones that I like had. Well, no, it's not really. It's called Spotlight Red. Wow, it's a beautiful red, guys. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Spotlight Red. It's beautiful. And they don't say whether it is matte or a gloss or shine. It is a Mega Lost lipstick, but it's one of the older ones, which is not a problem. I mean, I've been using the nude one for a long time, so I love this red, guys. You can even have enough red, and this is like a red, bright red color. Okay, the next one looks a bit dark. Wow, guys, there's a black lipstick. Look at that. Awesome. What does it say? Oh, it's not black. Vampire. Wow, so cool. I should have known though. Now you know what you can do. You can mix these two even to get an amazing color. They also don't say whether it's matte or shimmer though. I'm trying to see. They don't say, but that's so cool. Let's check out what color the nail enamel is. Wow. Oh, gorgeous. Wild Shine nail color. And this is the shade. Wow. Ready to propose. I'm already married. I'm gonna show my husband this one. So cute, man. It's so cute, guys. Look at it. So I think this is really a bargain, guys. If you're looking for a good deal, this is 2 lipsticks and a nail enamel for 100 rand. So these Mega Lost lipsticks, okay, these are the new formulas, but they cost 99 rand each, which is the price of the whole mystery box. So I think they were obviously trying to get rid of the older stock, I would assume. And so they've just thrown 2 in there and a nail enamel for the price of 1 lipstick, which I think is amazing. It's a bargain, which I love. And I used to have a black lipstick. I don't know what happened to it. It just vanished. And I had this lovely deep purple one as well. I replaced the purple one, but I never replaced the black one. And so now I have a black one again, which is awesome. And then red, I've got a couple of red lipsticks. I feel you really need to have a special event, you know, type thing to wear red lip. And if you're regular on my channel, you know I'm sometimes a bit insecure with regards to bright colors on my lips because they are quite skinny. And you know the thing nowadays, people have their lips filled up. to make it look bigger, but I just feel, this is what I've been given and I need to make it work for me. So yes, but I'm excited. I think this is really encouraging for me to get these bold colors and just to play with them again in terms of my lips and that sort of thing. So yes, I look forward to doing some looks with them and wearing them out, because that's another challenge. It's one thing to do your bold lip and your bold makeup when you're filming, but doing it out there in the real world is a different thing. To be honest, I've been doing YouTube for a bit now. It's not that long. I mean, there's people who's been doing it for many years. It's almost 2 years for me now. And I enjoy it so much, and I love trying out new things, playing around with colors and that sort of thing, which is awesome. I mean, this is why I started it. And also, I want people out there just to know that they are beautiful just the way they are. And I love that makeup can accentuate the natural beauty that's already there. Well, that's what I like to do with makeup, exaggerate the beauty that's already there. So I am rambling way off topic. You guys came here to see the mystery box. I'm sorry, but I hope that you enjoyed unpackaging it with me, because that is why I bought it. It's like a little surprise for yourself, because you didn't get to like choose what's inside. So that is awesome, and that's why I said the fact that it's such bold colors, I think it's just a real encouragement for me. It's like, yes, thank you so much for watching, guys. I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next video.